Hello fashionistas, welcome to Fashion World. It's another beautiful lovely Friday, the life of the world, and I just want to say thank God it's Friday. Friday means different things to different people. To some, it's the end of another working week, while to some, it's the beginning of fun that is unlimited. Today being Friday, some people will choose to be at the club tonight, while some will be looking forward to tomorrow through Sunday to attend different social events. Whatever it is that you have in mind to engage yourself with this weekend, Fashion World is there for you to inspire you with terrific, latest, modern, trending, best of African fashion. As those slides are rolling by on your screen now, they are another set of gorgeous, beautiful, lovely, stylishly impeccable styles for every woman. You know that's what we does better here on Fashion World. We like to carry everyone along, and we pride ourselves for modest, for trendy and latest styles. That is what we do give on this very platform. And today's video is not going to be an exception to that fact. Just as usual, sit back, relax, and savor what we have brought to you today from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you'll be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to those creatively iconic fashion designers who put all this together and avail us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video, leave your thoughts below in the comment section. And if you find yourself here for the first time, you are most definitely welcome to that number one hub on the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased, Fashion World. Please hit on the subscribe button and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this very platform. And you may want to consider giving this video a thumbs up if you find the styles neat, interesting. And also leave your thoughts below in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the globe. I still remain my humble self, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion, BJ. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
Tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Make me uncomfortable. Wow. The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.